Hey, where we dive deep into the captivating realm of psychology. Today, we're diving into something that could catch you off guard, the psychology of what sparks arousal in women. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Stick around as we reveal some eye-opening details that might shift how you view women's desire. Ever think about what truly puts women in that excited state? Research reveals that a massive 95% of women experience a rush of arousal when men do. Everything begins with eye contact. If a guy holds steady, assured gaze with a woman, it sparks an ancient instinct in her mind, unleashing hormones that boost her attraction. Confidence really matters. Ladies are pulled toward guys who radiate self-assurance, as it hints at power and stability, qualities wired into our evolutionary mindset. Laughter isn't just great for health, it's a strong turn-on too. A fellow with sharp wit can win over a woman's affections, stirring up waves of longing. Ladies tend to gravitate toward guys who display compassion and understanding. These traits highlight emotional smarts in a possible mate. Smarts are hot women get drawn to men who challenge their minds, since it reveals layers and room for real talks. Women respect guys with big goals and a fierce push to achieve them. That drive can seriously excite, showing grit and a dedication to growth. Naturally, looks count a lot in sparking desire. Women lean toward men who look after their bodies and carry themselves sharply. But past the surface, women yearn for a heartfelt bond. When a guy links up with her on a profound plane, it can unleash powerful waves of passion. Mystery captivates women. A man who keeps her curious and holds on to that enigmatic vibe builds thrill and eagerness. Lastly, the perfect touch can be wildly stimulating for women. From a soft stroke to a fiery hug, body contact can light up intense cravings. There it is. The psychology of what arouses women is layered and diverse. Grasping these elements helps you steer through romance and connections with more ease. Thanks for tuning in. If these psychology nuggets on attraction hit home, drop your experiences below. I checked them all out. And for even more eye-openers on how our minds work in love, go ahead and subscribe right now.